Do you know when you get the whole shot, you just increase your chance of winning by 75%? The best thing about getting the whole shot is that it increases your confidence and gives you a much better chance of being the first one across the finish line. When you're out there winning, it gives you much more confidence. It's much more fun for all your supporters and yourself. Over the next few minutes, I will demonstrate the basic ideas on how to get a whole shot. This includes which gate to choose, how to set your weight, and where to have your clutch at. When you walk up the starting line, you want to find a gate with a rut that is straight on the other side of the gate. This will prevent you from getting cross-rutted or spinning inside the rut. If either of these two things happens, your chance of just getting the whole shot just diminishes completely. When you pick the gate, you want to be able to find a gate that you can draw a straight line from your back tire to your front tire to the inside of the corner as shown. You'll cut everybody off to the inside of you, and you'll push everybody outside of you wide, giving you the opportunity to get the whole shot. The next thing is setting your weight. Setting your weight is very important so you don't loop out or you don't spin. If either of these things happen, it's impossible to get the whole shot. There's a big difference between concrete and dirt. We start off with both in motocross, and it's important to know what to do. So on concrete, you're going to set much further back because you don't have as good as traction, but on dirt, you'll set much further forward. And when you're setting your weight, you're going to want to make a couple practice starts at the gate. So you're going to sit like you're going to start usual, and then you're going to take off. If you wheelie, you're going to want to move forward. If you spin, you're going to want to scoot back for better traction. Final thing is your clutch. You're going to want to make sure that you have it right when the gate's about ready to drop. You're going to want it right where it's about ready to disengage. This will make it so when you look at the gate and it twitches, you won't have a hesitation time, and you'll be able to jump out first. It's very important to get the edge, so then you can start leaning either way you needed to cut everybody off. Now the final thing is you're going to want the bike about 3/4 wide open. You don't want it wide open because it's not as controlled. You'll spin, and if you do hook up, you have a better chance of looping out. I've just demonstrated the 3 basic ideas of how to get a whole shot, which gate to choose, how to set your weight, and where to have your clutch at. With these new ideas, you'll be able to have more confidence when you walk up to the starting line, and it'll give you a much better chance to win. And isn't that why we race, is to win?